Okay, so here we go. Happy Easter. Here we go. There's the captain. That's Paul.
Morning.
The old one. He's the old one.
Mrs. Hal.
There's young Shelley. There's the
Hi,
matriarch.
everybody.
And we're off. Here we go. This is wonderful. Look at this. And we're gonna good day mate everybody as we go. Oh, isn't this fabulous?
I go to that bank and then I leave. That's what they do.
I think we got enough wood now to do it.
Yeah.